penalty. Through ball cut out by Makenzie Bradbury to Davies. Davies to Bostock. Bostock finds the shot. Pushed away and then driven over by Allen. But at the moment, Wales are asking all the questions. Oh, and he almost got caught. And they're giving the ball away to Bostock. That was all about Welsh pressure. Puts it inside. Chance here for Bradbury. Makenzie Bradbury makes the Wales pressure count. The press was really effective. And it was set up for Bradbury, who delivered in some style a low shot into the corner. And Wales get what they deserved. 14 minutes gone. It's Wales 1, USA 0. Excellently taken shot. Oh, good tackle by Isaac Davies in the midfield. Drives towards the penalty area. Goes onto his left foot, shoots. To the Wales goal. But they could be on goal here. Arcing run, and that's not too far wide from Jonathan Shaw. Mannie again, chance to cross, plenty of red shirts back for Wales. Shaw shoots again, and again he's not too far away. Chunku picked up by Morales. Kasvosve read the ball, but he didn't make most of the clearance, and it slammed into the side net and via a deflection. Good ball through to Miller, who's chested it down. Can Wales thwart him? He can't. And Logan Stretch makes a good save in the right position. Stretch, although Mannie is there as well. Morales hits it. Stretch collects at the second attempt. And the USA could be in here. Peter, great block as well by Clarke, who rescued his own mistake really. Dangerously now. And then another shot, and that time it's in. It's Jonathan Shaw with the equalizer for the USA. And you have to say that's been coming. Ferocious shot from the edge of the box. He's had 2 shots already just wide. That one he made no mistake. And the USA are level on 67 minutes. And they're in here. Dills with a chance. Good stop by Stretch again. Can they hold it out, Wales? Once again, they block really well. Song and dance. Slid in for the throw. 1-1. We're in added time. Oh. And the referee has booked Iestyn Ellis for a dive. Simulation. Iestyn Ellis with the penalty against Logan Stretch. Hits it. Oh, Stretch went the right way, but it's 1-0 USA. Wales skipper to take this spot kick. And he just squeezes it in. Again, his heart would have been in his mouth. Run from Dills. Stretch bouncing on his line. A few steps to the left. Dills hits it. Oh, nicely done. Very cool. Clap of the gloves. Lienou hits it. And equally calm. Makes it 2-2. Brunel of Seattle Sounders take the 3rd American penalty. It's 2-2. Brunel hits it. Oh. And 3-2 Wales trail. This is their 3rd penalty though. Barton hits it. Oh, it's saved. It's saved. This would make it 4-2 and give Wales a real mountain to climb. Can Stretch come to the rescue? Cruz hits it, confident, 4-2. There's no room for error now for Wales. Dewsbury to keep Wales in it. Hits it and scores, 4-3. This to give the USA victory. It's Shaw against Stretch. Shaw, oh, Stretch saves! Gentles against Rizvanovic. Gentles hesitates and drives it home. It's 4-4 and the penalties go on. Irvin Torres Jr. He was one of the substitutes. Deep breath, hits it, Stretch is saved! Can Grainger be the hero? Takes his time, rubs his hands on his shorts, looking to be composed, few steps back. Grainger hits it and scores! And Wales win on penalties!